Hey, Steve Basic Architect. I'm out here at our historical Reno project. Now, you've heard everybody pretty much in the industry say that the window is just a hole in the wall. Well, this one here couldn't be more truer. If you notice here, closer inspection, there is no sill, there is no jack, and there's certainly a king there and a king there, but there is no header, and it is basically just cut in the wall. Obviously, there's absolutely no flashing, nothing that ties that together. It was literally cut, and the wood framed window was slid into the opening and nailed off. And it basically just relied on the fact that every year we were going to get a lot more drying potential than we got wetting potential. And the survival of that window was based on that premise. So anyways, let's jump over and we'll look at a couple more windows here that are actually a little different. So anyways, Steve Basic Architect from our historic Reno.